What's up, guys? It's Ralph from RMD Garage, and I'm really excited to be at the Detroit Meguiars Autorama. That's right, guys. Finally in the Big D. Now I get to check out some of the coolest cars. I'm gonna take you guys through this journey and check out. BASF has picked already 8 of the hottest cars that are here with the best paint job, and of course up for the Riddler. So I want to make sure I go check them out and give them that beautiful, beautiful love. So I'll see you guys, but you're gonna come along with me. I'll see you in a bit. This is my first time here, so I want to make sure, kind of take it all in, bring you the hottest, try to show you guys what's going on. You know, we got the West Coast flavor, and then we got the Midwest, and then East Coast flavor. So when I walked in, I saw this car that I had been seeing that everybody's been posting online, and it looks to be a Cadillac turned into a wagon, cut down. So I got to check that out. And then also it looks like there's a Nova. It's gonna be a lot to look at here. Check it out. Look at this Victoria right here, 56 Ford Victoria. Now, I haven't seen one of these resto modded, which is really cool to see. But what I love the most is look at that tuck. That back wheel is absolutely so big. The way they tucked in all the bumpers, all the seamless lines, just all the glass, everything around it, the chrome. See it like this with that orange and crimsicle. It's like an ice cream. So I ran into my good friend Tony from Meguiars, who happens to be our sponsor, yeah, baby, at the garage. But tell us about this amazing show, dude.
So we're at the Detroit Autorama. The Detroit Autorama is obviously presented by Meguiars, so it's a special show for us. But not just because of the show, but actually the Ridler Award is given here. So the Riddler Award is actually presented by us as well. So the Riddler is really, as you know,
it's the creme. It's the creme de la creme, right? Absolutely,
right? So it's always a blast. It's always cool to see what cars, because the car has to be debuted here at Detroit to be eligible for the Riddler.
That's
so
good.
All the cars are never never seen them. Yeah, no, it's always a great show. We love being here. And
this is great.
I'm glad you're here.
Let's go check out some cars. Yeah, baby. Woo! Talk about colors and the combination. This is absolutely stunning. You got that beautiful green, right? You got that chocolate brown, and then the gold, it brings it all in, right? That's what I love. This is an absolute timeless piece. Great car, guys. So I ran into my great friend Carrie from Syracuse Nationals, and I happen to have an affinity for that show because they love me there. We were just talking about this beautiful build. Now, what I gotta say is that I knew it was gonna win because look how tasteful.
My initial thought was that it's just such a sleek design, and the custom color makes everything pop. Like, it's so simple, but it's so elegant.
Just stunning, right? Every bit about it. That's what it's about. This car community kind of comes together, and you have a lot of affinities that are alike. And then I always say a stranger is only a stranger until you say hello.
That's right.
And that's what Syracuse Nationals does.
That's what it
does. I love it. It connects everyone. All right, let's go check out some more cars. And this is absolutely crazy. So what it looks like is that they taken the Cadillac and a Nomad and married them together, right? Love the color, the way it's been all put in. Look at all that stuff that's been shaved off, right? Everything's been tucked. And I love the big wheel that mimics that vintage hubcap. I happen to love radical cars because I know what goes into them. So this is pretty radical, and that's why a lot of people are loving it. It's something rare that you don't see every day. So let's go check out this Nova over here. Every time you look on Instagram, you see this beautiful car right here, man. And I gotta tell you, this is absolutely radical, the way they've done all this stuff. One of my favorite parts is the front diffuser, man, the way it kind of comes around. You know, you got that billet grille, you got all the little details, you got those beautiful HID headlights, you got the twin turbos. Look at that engine, dude. Man, this is unreal. All right, guys, so I came out to the Detroit Autorama, and I got to tell you guys, it's been an amazing show. I hope you guys like everything we're showing you, just bringing you all the car culture from the West Coast all the way to the East Coast and the Midwest. And of course, I couldn't leave without saying bye to somebody I love, and that's my good friend Tina right here from BASF, who you guys know, you guys love all our paint jobs, and that's because we have a great partner like BASF that really gets us all laced up, right, Tina?
Exactly.
And we're so excited we get to go to all the stuff they do, especially at SEMA, where it's our hometown, our little Super Bowl of cars, and we get to showcase all the eye candy. Speaking about eye candy, look at this.
Beautiful, right.
Yeah.
Any color you want.
Any color you want. So we're still missing the RMD garage collection, which is coming soon. Tina just doesn't know yet, but we're working on it. No. But hopefully you guys like the video, and don't forget to check out all the stuff we're bringing you guys. Car culture at its finest. Say bye, Tina.
Bye.
Adios, amigos. Time to head to the airport because the garage guys have been waiting for me. Because we got a 56 to finish, so can't wait to see that and how far they've gotten. But I'll see you guys soon.